Moon landing mystery: what NASA's 2025 missions could reveal. On July 20th, 1969, humanity took its first steps on the moon. It was a pivotal moment, broadcast around the world, uniting billions in awe and wonder. Yet, even as Neil Armstrong uttered those famous words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," a seed of doubt was being sown. Conspiracy theories began to sprout, questioning the very authenticity of the moon landing. Now, over half a century later, NASA's Artemis program, with its planned 2025 crewed mission, presents a unique opportunity. It's a chance to revisit the Apollo landing sites and address these lingering doubts with the power of modern technology. The Apollo missions produced a wealth of photographic and video evidence. This documentation became the subject of intense scrutiny. Conspiracy theorists point to perceived inconsistencies. These include the shadows in the photographs, the apparent lack of stars in the lunar sky, and the famous waving flag. The Artemis missions are equipped with state-of-the-art cameras and advanced imaging techniques. These will provide definitive answers to these long-standing questions. High-resolution cameras will capture images far surpassing the quality of the Apollo-era photographs. This will allow for detailed comparisons and analysis. The shadows cast by the astronauts, the lunar module, and other equipment will be carefully analyzed. This will determine their alignment with the sun's position at the time the photographs were taken. The presence or absence of stars in the new images will be verified. This will either confirm or refute claims of photographic manipulation. By providing irrefutable visual evidence, the Artemis missions have the potential to silence claims of photographic manipulation once and for all. This will reinforce the authenticity of the Apollo missions. Another point of contention revolves around the lunar module's descent engine. Some argue that it should have created a significant impact crater upon landing. The Artemis missions will revisit the Apollo landing sites. This will allow for a direct examination of the lunar surface in the vicinity of the landing zones. Geologists and scientists will conduct detailed surveys of the regolith. They will look for evidence of the engine's impact. Samples of the lunar soil will be collected for further analysis back on Earth. This will provide additional insights into the composition and structure of the regolith. The presence or absence of a crater will be crucial evidence. It will either support or refute the claims of conspiracy theorists. If a crater is present, its characteristics such as its size, depth, and shape will be carefully documented. This will provide valuable data for comparison with theoretical models of engine plume interaction with the lunar surface. By providing concrete evidence regarding the presence or absence of an impact crater, the Artemis missions can help resolve this debate. This will contribute to a more accurate understanding of the Apollo landings. Beyond addressing specific conspiracy theories, the Artemis missions will provide a wealth of valuable scientific data. This data will indirectly address the doubts surrounding the moon landing. The missions will study the lunar environment in unprecedented detail. This includes the composition of the regolith, the presence of water ice, and the effects of solar radiation. By gaining a deeper understanding of the moon's history and its relationship to Earth, the Artemis missions will provide context for the Apollo missions. This will clarify any ambiguities and solidify the historical record. The data collected will shed light on the moon's formation, its geological evolution, and its potential as a resource for future exploration. This will provide a more complete picture of our celestial neighbor. This new scientific knowledge will help to dispel misinformation and reinforce the reality of the Apollo missions. It will also highlight the incredible scientific achievements of the era. The Artemis missions will not only address the past but also pave the way for future lunar exploration. This will inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. The 2025 Artemis mission represents a significant opportunity. It's a chance to address lingering questions surrounding the moon landing. By utilizing advanced technology to revisit the Apollo landing sites, NASA can gather new scientific data. This will provide compelling evidence to validate or refute the claims of conspiracy theorists. The Artemis missions will contribute to a more complete and accurate understanding of this monumental achievement. This will ensure that the legacy of the Apollo program is preserved for generations to come. The mission will not only address the past but also inspire the future. It will demonstrate the power of human ingenuity and the boundless potential of scientific exploration. The Artemis program is a testament to our enduring curiosity and our unwavering pursuit of knowledge. It is a reminder that even the most extraordinary achievements can be questioned, but with dedication and scientific rigor, the truth will always prevail. The 2025 mission is more than just a return to the moon. It is a reaffirmation of our commitment to exploration, discovery, and the pursuit of truth.